Okay, so it's pancake time. Good day, we're Cindy and Graham from Jaunti Vanlife, South Africa. We're travelling full time in our van. We're stationary for 2 months here just outside Gauteng, and then next year we'll be travelling throughout South Africa.
Hi everybody.
Join us on our vibe. So what you doing, Graham?
I'm trying to make a little vent for the window.
Yeah.
So when the window is open a little bit, it won't rain in.
Yeah.
And it's a bit of a mission because I've got to bend this stuff. So I'm trying to put a bit of heat on it to bend it.
It's like your bending machine. Let's see how you bent it already.
This is where I bent it here.
Yeah.
A little bit, just by applying heat and pressing it down.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've got to do that all the way here.
Okay.
Until we've got this whole length done, so that will fit in the door frame.
Yeah.
Can you see in here?
Yes.
So it'll fit in the door frame like that.
Yeah.
And it will have a little, the window can be open from there,
Okay.
about there, so
Yes.
much here.
Okay.
And the rain will just come off there.
Fantastic.
See if it works.
Yeah,
My
DIY.
little invention.
Yeah, DIY, Graham.
That's my invention. Let's see if it works.
Okay. Love you.
Love you more.
Bye.
Bye.
What happens? It's
You
too
know what
hot.
to do.
No, no. Try to cool it down with my spray water bottle. We got all the mod cons here.
Okay. Let's go in there, so I must notch it here.
My pancakes. Yeah. Beautiful. Cinnamon and sugar. So it's time for me to make us some. Graham's out taking the rubbish somewhere, and I'm going to surprise him with pancakes. Enjoy your day. Nothing stops us here. The only thing it's missing is a squirt of lemon juice. I don't have any. So here we have Graham's one, and guess what's outside? My hammock. The shade's coming over, so I can go lie there soon when I made the pancakes. What a life. Van life.
That's very nice.
You know why? Because it's the sun. I can't see what's happening.
Sun blinding you.
Yeah.
Blinded by
The light.
sun.
By the light. This is keeping Graham busy. You know that?
Ah,
Yeah.
like I need to be busy.
You need rest. You're resting all the time.
Yeah,
Rest assured, you're resting all the time.
yeah, it's nice. Okay, so that is a bit tight.
Look at these beautiful trees that come over Jaunti later. Sort of from 2 o'clock, and then I'm shaded under the trees with my hammock. Graham interfering again. Wow, look at his invention.
Now let's just trim this all nice and round.
Yeah,
And what we can do
Yeah.
is we can open, look here, inside.
yeah.
Come
Hold
look
on.
this up.
Yeah.
Like that.
Ah, and so we get
So you
air
got
in.
that much care coming
Yes,
in
I
here.
love it.
And we could even close it up there. Oh no, we can't. Yeah, we could
We
probably
can
close
travel
it.
like that, yeah.
No, I don't want to travel with it there.
No, but I mean,
But that
when
is, the glass is right up to
yeah,
the
because
top.
when you go out, you want to lock your car. Your van. Okay,
Yeah, I think that's
fantastic.
a tiny little ingenuity.
It's another DIY hack.
It's another little DIY.
What's your hack called?
It's a little DIY in knowledge.
What's your hack called?
Window trim, window flap.
Window
Air.
flip. Air vent flip. Rain.
Rain again.
We haven't got a name for our DIY hack.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now
Yeah.
is take it out. Very
And
easy.
make it,
And I just want to trim this so that
Make
it's
it pretty.
nice and neat.
okay.
Good job. Okay, good idea, yeah.
I think all these women would love a handyman like you
Ah,
that watch our channel.
you want a handyman?
Put a comment in if you want a handyman.
If you want a handyman like me,
You
You'll
can't
have to
have
go
it.
and look for one because I have a wife who's got one. We even have a butternut with it.
What is it?
Wonderful. Korean rice with a butternut. Korean rice and butternut.
Graham's still friend outside. Keeps walking up to him. None of us have been bad enough to go into the cooler yet, so we can't show you the cooler as yet, but we surely will soon. So guess who does the washing up in our house?
I do.
Do you enjoy it, Graham?
Ah, well, it's something to do, eh?
Checking if you're doing them properly.
Gotta clean everything out nicely.
But Graham, tell them what I do.
Nothing. She does a lot as well. She does the cooking, and in the day there's little projects like putting curtains up and all that, which she does willingly, which I love. And I'm so glad that that's there because now the flies that used to come in cars.
Yeah,
Like a
fantastic.
different holiday.
Yeah, and when mosquitoes
No
are,
flies on it.
yeah, and when we go to a place where there's mosquitoes, they won't come in. So I'm sewing a curtain for between the cab and Jaunti, for the flies and mosquitoes when we move along. So we've got net curtains on both sides, and now this will be between the cab and the back. So getting very excited about the things we're doing, preparing for the way. So I'm videoing upright because this is the curtain I made between the cab and our bedroom and kitchen to keep the flies out. Very proud of my handiwork. So we're just gonna say goodbye to everybody.
We're leaving the town.
And
And we're going to another town.
no, not yet.
No, this is the end of this video, and we thank everybody for watching and supporting. There's a lot to come up, so I'll just keep we're on our mission here, and we're old people, so we take it slow, but I think that's what everybody likes. So we're showing some yum stuff today.
Anyway, keep well, subscribe, like, share. Get your friends to subscribe
As well.
and push us forward. We need
you,
your
guys.
help.
Yes, we
Bye.
need all the help we can get, and you guys are awesome.
Thank
We
you
love
for
you guys.
Yes.
Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.